To install Google Camera on Redmi Note 15, first of all, you will have to start by opening the Google Play Store, and we have to download this Gcamator application. This is the app that will allow us to actually get Gcam port. So first of all, just accept everything that pops on your screen, and as you can see, in this case, I have to request the Gcam because I'm recording this video when this smartphone was released like 2 weeks ago. So this is the reason why it's not available. If you are watching this video like 2-3 months after it was recorded, probably you can just click here and download it. But if it is still not here, we have to remember about this phrase Xiaomi 2510. We have to go into this one and just input this phrase Xiaomi 25, and here we have to pick the previous version. So as you can see, we have to check which version is the latest. We got this 9.4 Android 12. So we have to click on this start button. You will have some ads here because it's free application, so this is the reason why you will get them, but not in the Google Camera, don't worry. This is only the application that will allow us to download Google Camera. We can turn it off by clicking here, click here, and right now we'll be redirected to the browser, and as you can see, we will get this one from the Poco F7. Why not? We can get it and test if it works. We can have to click to download anyway. If there will be any issue with this specific port, you can download any other, don't worry. For example, from the Redmi Note 14. Now as you can see, it's downloading, so we have to wait. So now we have to click on that file, now click on the settings, click to allow installation apps from this source. Click here that you are aware of possible risks, wait for a few seconds and click OK. Click OK. Now click on this installation button. As you can see, we can already find the Google Camera icon, and we have to wait until it will be downloaded. As you can see now, for safety, we can scan this and check if everything is fine. As you can see, everything is fine, so we can open this application, accept all of those permissions for the camera. And now as you can see, we are here. We can find the Google Camera, all of those settings, options